I can't believe my ears. You mean after all these years, you just don't care anymore? You can't mean it. Look at me and say you are really true. Oh, now I see, when you look at me that way, then suddenly I heard it's true. Excuse me, but I seem to find the door, and my feet don't feel the floor, for my legs are numb and weak, and my throat's too dry to speak.